for payment of admitted.
No, it's all right, sir. Show us that NIT, which is the relevant clause.
Minutes, that is the SBD. Minutes, kindly have a look. I had requested that since they had issued a check in my favor with respect to my payment, the time period has expired. So I had filed.
Earlier litigation CWJC 16341 of 2000.
Yes, that's I am saying, Minutes. My lords can do everything, but it's a bona fide mistake.
No, sir. Anything else?
No, it's. The petitioner were disqualified technically on the ground that one writ petition, that is CWJC, that is page number 78. That one writ petition bearing CWJC number 16341/2022 was pending before this honorable court, which I did not disclose.
Where is the relevant material was required to be furnished by you?
My lords, annexure 1, my lords, kindly have a look. I had filed a writ application for payment of admitted.
No, it's all right, sir. Show us that NIT, which is the relevant clause.
My lords, that is the SBD. My lords, kindly have a look. I will close the complete SBD. That is, my lords, page number 90. The SBD is 90 starts from 79. Relevant is on page number 90. 4.2 I.
4.2
I.
Is it not sufficient? That information regarding any litigation.
There was no litigation.
CWJC is a litigation?
That was not a litigation. I had requested that since they had issued a check in my favor with respect to my payment, the time period has expired. So I had filed.
Earlier litigation CWJC 16341 of 2000.
Yes, that's I am saying, Lords.
Is relating to what?
Relating to replacement of a check which they had issued and which the time period had expired. Because authorities had not written letter. But moreover, in that writ application, Lord, the last date for submission of the bid was, Lords, this bid submission date is 10.
Whatever it may be, what is the last date of submission of this tender application?
10/1/23.
10/1/23.
And Lords, the date of disposal is, Lords, it was withdrawn on 30th January. But prior to that, Lords, kindly have a look, page number, Lords, 30th January. And prior to that, Lords, kindly have a look, page number 48.
No, where do we get the 30th January?
Lords, that is on page number 49. I have enclosed 49. I have withdrawn this because they made payment before the last date of submission of bid. Page number 49, it was withdrawn.
Anyway, that litigation was pending.
No, my lords, kindly have a look, my lords.
No.
It was not a litigation. That is my case. I am kindly.
No, CWJC is not a litigation.
Not a litigation. There was no dispute, my lords. Kindly have a look, my lords. There was no dispute. First, my lords, kindly have a look, page number, my lords, 48. For 1 million, my lords. I informed the authorities when they made payment with respect to that CWJC. I wrote to them, with regard in reference to the above subject, we would like to inform you that the outstanding dues amount so and so, package number so and so against package numbers for maintenance work have been credited in our company account. Thanking for your kind cooperation. So it was only for replacement of check. There was no dispute. It was in the knowledge of the authorities. Honorable,
The litigation or not, Mr.?
Lord, litigation is said with respect to a dispute. It was for the admitted, only for the replacement of a check. That is my humble submission, my lords.
Anything else?
My lords, kindly have a look. One more thing, my lords. Insofar that litigation part is concerned, there is no question of concealment. My lords, that is, I submitted objection, my lords. Kindly have a look, page number 168. 168. There is no question of concealment. Agar concealment hota na, I would have been out of the court. I would not have been arguing for the petitioner. My lords, clause, my lords, objection is on page number 168. CWJC so and so clause 4 महाशय करपालक अभियंता कार प्रमंडल किशनगंज 1 द्वारा मेरे लंबित भुगतान को 17/12/22 को कर दिया गया। मेरी कंपनी के पत्रांक 20/12/22 से भुगतान प्राप्त करने की पुष्टि विभाग को दे दिया गया। विभाग द्वारा माननीय उच्च न्यायालय में इसकी सूचना दी गई। विभाग द्वारा पेमेंट कर देने के उपरांत ही हमारे केस अगले तारीख पर खत्म हो जाना था, जो कि हो गया। 30/1/23 को जब उच्च न्यायालय में आदेश की कॉपी संलग्न मेरे टेंडर का शपथ 6/1/23 को लगाया गया है। उसमें कोई लिटिगेशन विवाद नहीं है का शपथ पत्र गया जो प्रतीत होता है कि मेरे कंपनी का उद्देश्य केवल अपने रुके हुए भुगतान कराने से था, न कि उस केस को और आगे बढ़ाने का, वांछित लिटिगेशन करने का। मेरे केस की जानकारी सभी वरीय पदाधिकारियों को पहले से ही थी। इसमें मेरे द्वारा कुछ भी गलत शपथ नहीं दिया गया। माय हम्बल सबमिशन मिलर्स, insofar this case is concerned, this honorable court in the month of November issued notice to the respondents authorities to why you are not replacing the check. So they had information. Had there been any
What prevented you from writing about this?
Lords, it may be a bona fide mistake.
Or not?
Lords,
What prevented you from mentioning this fact?
because reason is Lords. It may be a bona fide mistake for the reason, Lords. Had there, Lords, I was aware that notices have been issued. I argued in that matter, Lords. Notice was issued in the November. It was received to them. They made my payment. Lords, had there been, nobody can conceal all these things, Lords. Lords, intention is
It is a matter of
intention is the important thing.
court of law.
Lord, the intention is the important thing, Lords. There was no such intention.
We are not
behind all.
the authority to appreciate all these things.
Lords,
Concerned authority. If you want to withdraw, withdraw. Otherwise, we are going to reject.
Lords, may I submit one thing? After all these things, since only one person remained, Lords, successful, so Lords, kindly grant liberty. Now they have issued
No
a
question
fresh.
of liberty.
No, they have issued a fresh tender. I submitting my fresh tender in that. That time has expired, Lords.
Huh?
That because of pendency
So
of
we can't extend the time limit of a tender.
90 minutes, the bid has not been opened. I shall be submitting.
Whatever it may be, your application beyond the last date cannot be directed to be considered. That is nothing but interfering with the administration of the concerned authority.
Lords, insofar
When we
my
extend the last date.
lords can do everything, but it's a bona fide mistake.
No, sir. Anything else?
No, Lords.
Minister has prayed for the following relief. Petitioner's technical bid was rejected for non-compliance of the 4.2 within bracket 1I, which reads as under page 90. It is undisputed fact that CWC 16341 of 2022 was pending consideration as on 30th January 2023. So it is to be noted that the last date of submission of application for tender bid is 10/1/2023. So therefore, one has to draw inference that certain litigation was pending consideration insofar as petitioner is concerned as on 10/1/2023. To stop in not revealing or disclosing pending litigation for CWJC 16341 of 2022 as on last date of submission of tender application on 10/1/2023. Therefore, we find no infirmity in the action of the concerned respondent in rejecting the technical bid. Accordingly, the petition stand dismissed.
Also identical matter.
Identical Lords.
Number
54.
My lords. Oblige,